Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through what to do if you're seeing the Delta Executor and Roblox upgrade error on iOS. This issue usually appears when the Roblox app updates and third-party executor tools become incompatible with the latest version. Because these tools are unofficial and violate Roblox terms of service, they can stop working after updates or trigger security checks on iPhone and iPad devices. The safest solution is to completely remove both Roblox and any unofficial executor apps from your device. After that, restart your iPhone, open the App Store, and install the latest official version of Roblox directly from there. Make sure your iOS version is also updated, because older system versions can sometimes cause launch or compatibility problems. If Roblox still doesn't open correctly, go to Settings, then Safari, and clear website data and cache before reinstalling the app one more time. Also, avoid downloading modified Roblox clients or unofficial executors from random websites, because they can lead to crashes, account risks, or security issues on your device. Using the official Roblox app with updated software is the most stable and secure way to avoid upgrade errors and keep the game running properly on iOS devices. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.